Hello, good morning. 1 second. Okay, next come to the part. What? Ground tissue system. Epidermal tissue system is over. Next, ground tissue system. So, in this tissue, what is ground tissue system means? All tissue except epidermal, above already discussed that. Epidermal tissue system and remaining what is there? Vascular tissue system. So in NCERT question, in NCERT based line, vascular bundle is there, epidermis is there, not completely epidermal tissue system is given, not vascular tissue is there. The exception is epidermis and vascular bundles tissue system is there. Except that one, all remaining are ground tissue system. So ground tissue system mainly consists of simple tissue system. Okay, mainly consists of simple tissues. The simple tissues are, you know, that parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. So first of all, come to this one. Parenchyma mostly present in what is this? Cortex, pericycle with medullary rays. Okay, cortex, pericycle with medullary rays. These are made up of parenchyma cells only. Okay, next, leaves. In leaves, ground tissue has some chloroplast like thin walled cells. Those cells are called mesophyll cells. Don't confuse. Okay guys, come next one, vascular tissue system. Ground tissue, epidermal tissue system is over, ground tissue system is over, vascular tissue system is going on. So vascular tissue system consists of complex tissue, phloem and xylem. Okay, sorry. Complex tissue means these are the complex tissue. Phloem and xylem. Okay. Phloem and xylem. Both phloem and xylem is also called vascular bundles. Collectively, both combine to form vascular bundles. So, in vascular bundles, okay, what happens? Phloem, xylem is different arrangement. Depending upon arrangements, they are in different. Okay. Come to the dicot stem. Dicot stem is there. If dicot stem is there, dicot stem, phloem, xylem is present. In between them, cambium is present. If cambium is present, this is open. This is openly arranged. This is openly formed, not joint. Okay, I mean jointly occur, but cambium is between them. Na? So that's why open vascular band, that is conjoined. Conjoined means they are all collectively joined by cambium. Understand? They are collectively connected by cambium, so that's why conjoint is there. This is open conjoint vascular bundles. What is this? In the dicot stem. So these form secondary tissues. It means secondary xylem and secondary phloem. Why? Because the main reason is cambium is present. That's why secondary xylem and phloem is available here. Come to the monocot stem. Monocot stem, cambium is absent. So that's in that way you can tell me, what is there any formation of secondary xylem and phloem? Not possible. So that's why really this is phloem and xylem. This is not open. Okay, this is not open. Why? Because cambium is not present. That's why closed and conjoined, but they are connected each other. So conjoined closed circuit system. Come to the both monocot and dicot root. Okay, both monocot and dicot root. They are in alternate manner, phloem, xylem manner, like this, phloem, xylem, phloem, xylem. They are in radial manner, so they are called radial vascular bundles. Here listen, next one what? Here dicot roots. Come to the discussion about dicot roots. Dicot root example is sunflower root. Okay, sunflower roots and dicot root. Okay, what happens? Its outermost dicot root, outermost layer is called epiblema. Particularly in sunflower root, outermost layer is called epiblema. So unicellular, it is root hair. It has unicellular root hairs, and it is contains cortex. Okay, dicot root, cortex is there. Cortex is multi-layered. Okay, cortex is multi-layered. Why? Because in that condition, endodermis, so whatever, hypodermis, so many layers are there. That's why multi-layered. It is thin-walled, made up of parenchymatous cells. Already I told you, parenchymatous is present in cortex, epidermal, cortex, pericycle, fifth medullary rays. Okay. Next, intercellular spaces are present here. Present. Come to the endodermis. It is the innermost layer of the cortex. What happens here? Single layer it is. But it is single layer. It is intercellular space not present. Opposite to a cortex. Endodermis it is. So in endodermis there are Casparian strips. Casparian strips. Water impermeable. Casparian strips, they are not allowed water to in its structure. So waxy material. It is a waxy material. So it has in dicot root we found 2 to 4 bundles of phloem and xylem bundles. Okay. Come to the pericycle. Come to the pericycle. Multi-layered it is, as it is cortex it is. Parenchymatous. So the parenchymatous. Initiation of lateral roots and cambium. Okay, vascular cambium takes place in the secondary growth in pericycle cells only. Okay. These are the main questions. Come to the dicot root, monocot root. So visible here, monocot root is, I will explain in later, but dicot root is there. We have to show difference here. So what happens? Dicot root is there. So only 2 to 4 bundles, xylem bundles will be there. But comes to the monocot, there are many bundles are there, phloem and xylem. So these are the main differences. So same structure, all are same structure, but come to the pericycle, we will have some differences there. So by looking, you can observe it is dicot root or monocot root. Okay. Here in dicot root, we have last part in dicot root only. So pith is there. Pith is the center part of pericycle. Small inconclusive. In dicot root, it may be present or it not be present. If it is present, it is small amount there. If it is present, it is small amount. Come to the pericycle. What is? Okay, steel it is, not a pericycle. Steel is made of pericycle, vascular bundles, 3 collectively known as steel. So these are the mainly lines from the NCERT based question. This much of syllabus enough for get 360 marks. Okay, don't go outside syllabus, just to go remember NCERT syllabus. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channels. Why? Because if I got more subscribers, I will explain each and everything. Okay, thank you. Share your friends.